What's going on, guys? This is Desiree Lee here, your #1 self-publishing consultant across the web, and I help aspiring authors and published authors turn their books into a business. And in this video, I'm going to share with you guys on how to create your own author page here on Amazon.com. So as you guys can see right now, as I scroll my mouse over in my name, you see here where you can visit my author's page. Well, I want to show you guys how you can do this for yourself. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. So now we're here, especially if you are planning to publish more than one book, you definitely want to have an author page. Here you'll see your profile photo along with your biography, along with all the books you have published that individuals can purchase. Why do you need one of these? Because if you have published more than one book, it's much easier to share your author page on all social media platforms and also with your audience to sell more books. Also, if you have always questioned how do you add video to your books, you can definitely do that here. So let me show you guys a quick example of what that looks like.
So I saw this book on Amazon.com, The Desiree Lee Story, inmate 1142980. And I read the reviews and I had to purchase my own copy. It's just such an inspirational story.
A high school student on her way to college in pursuit of the American dream. 2 weeks after graduation, her dream was no longer an option. Visit www.amazon.com and purchase your copy today.
So this is really great when promoting your books, especially if you have a book trailer or you have a video book review too as well. And here at the bottom, if you have your books available in 2 different formats, it will show all the formats that your book is available along with the click to buy button as well for all of the books that you have published, okay? So let me show you how to create this amazing page to where you can make your Amazon author page more social. So we're gonna go here to authorcentral.amazon.com. That is a website to create or connect your author page to your Amazon page, meaning that this is beyond just being an influencer on Amazon, but this is your authorcentral.amazon.com page. Here you can create your author page. That's what I'm going to show you guys here today. And if you are a creative or an influencer, I'm sure that there's so many different options that you could definitely have control over when creating your author page. So the first thing you want to do is click on author page. Okay. And so once you click on that, once you sign in and got everything together, you'll simply add your biography right here in this text. And here you'll see where it says edit biography. So I can edit it, I can update it, or you can definitely copy and paste your short bio. I recommend that you keep it short, especially for your readers and your customers' attention span, especially with marketing. Also, if you are a blogger, you can definitely create and add your blog to your Amazon page too as well. So this is another avenue for you to get more views towards your blog. Also here to the right, you'll see where your URL is. So you can definitely add that or include that on your social media posts or on your online promotions and marketing. Here to the right where you can add photos. Now you can only add up to 7 photos, but as you can see here, the difference between all these photos, this one has like a little orange outline around the photo, and that will serve as your profile photo, okay? You can definitely click manage to arrange these photos to which one you want to show. Also, they have an option where you can add video. So you can manage and add more videos to your repertoire. So here where you see this is the highlighted video, this will be the first video that people will see. So also we have definitely book reviews videos that we added here and along with a commercial that you just seen. And that's how you create your author page. Now, how do you add books to your author page on Amazon.com? So if you have published more the one book, you just simply click on the tab here inside of your Author Central account. This is important. You will click on the tab inside of your Author Central account, and you'll click on books. And here you will add your books to your name. I can't express this enough because I had one of my clients, they recently published a book, and for whatever reason, I don't even know how this really happened, but another author claimed their book. So you want to make sure that you are claiming all of the books that you have published as soon as you publish that book. If you publish your book prior to today, maybe you published it 3 years ago, 5 years ago, you definitely want to make sure that you click on here and add your book. You simply just click on add more books, and then you'll put your ISBN number, or you can just type in your name. So we're just going to type in Desiree Lee here, and we're going to hit go. And as you can see, I've already added this book. That's my book. I've already added this book. This person has my same name, but this is not my book. So I will include this book and just say, yes, this is my book too as well. So I'll say, I'll add that book. Okay, so it successfully added this book. As you can see here, it says it takes up at least 24 hours for it to appear on my Amazon author page. And then you'll just simply close out of that, and let's hit close. And so it will definitely take up to, as you can see, it will say coming soon, and it will share the book that I've added to my Amazon page. And that's it.